to you all. And today, welcome back to another brand new video of NTY Productions. And today, I'm going to show you a clear and good demonstration of how to wear a mask and apply gloves on your hand and apply hand sanitizer. So let us get on with the video. Yeah guys, so due to the current events in the world, the COVID-19, the coronavirus, many people have been getting affected, more than 10 lakh I think worldwide, and I hope all of you guys stay safe, and that's why I'm even showing the demonstration for you guys to stay safe and stay healthy. And I hope everyone gets their needed essentials, and I hope everyone stays safe. Now let us get on with the demonstration. So guys, so today, so the first task, I'm going to be showing you how to wear a glove. And now I have a box of latex gloves here. Okay, this is the latex gloves. Okay, as you can see, the Falcon latex with 100 pieces of gloves. Okay, and I have also donated 10,000 dirhams to the charity fund, and that is really good. And I hope all of you guys stay safe. So this is the latex gloves, and yep, you have to carefully wear them. Okay, put all your fingers in the right places, and don't use old gloves. Use it freshly new, and like put it carefully and slowly so that the latex do not break. Okay, and once you have put your gloves in your right hand, I'm putting it in my right hand first. Just grab another gloves from the packet or the box, and you gotta wear it on your left hand too. Okay, so I have my gloves here. I'm carefully wearing it with putting my right fingers, or like right fingers means like all the correct fingers to the glove, and yep, slowly pull up the latex until you feel it comfortable. And now the gloves are ready, and I will be telling you now step 2, how to wear a mask. So guys, let us now see how to wear a mask. So I have some Royal Pack face masks here, and I can also be using the N90 mask, but that is more safer. But now I'm using the surgical mask. So I will show you how the N90 mask looks like. So guys, here I have a full bag of N95 mask. Okay, and I'm not going to be using this for the demonstration because this actually costs a lot. This is the N95 Pure Me anti-air pollutant masks. Okay, and I'm not going to use this actually because this actually costs a lot, and I don't want to waste it because I'm not going outside. I'm just showing this for a demonstration. And please follow this carefully, guys. Then only you can protect the germs. And the glove thing, I just want you to make sure that you don't touch your body parts like your face, the nose, the mouth, even if it's itching from the gloves, because the gloves will absorb all the germs. Okay, example, you're going to a grocery store, you are taking the stroller, and the stroller germs will go inside your gloves, and if you touch the gloves from to your any part of your head or your body, the virus will go inside your body. So it is of no use if you touch any of your body parts. So now I'm going to show you guys how to wear masks. So I'm going to take the Royal Pack surgical masks. Okay, and I'm going to be taking a fresh new, oh, this is actually used piece. I'm going to be taking a fresh new piece from the mask. Okay, there too. And now what I'm going to do is what you want to do is you're actually going to take the silver lining over here, and you got to keep it on your nose. This should come above, not below. And from other masks there will be a metal thing, so this actually gives support to your nose whenever you're wearing it. So yep, I have the 2 threads. Okay, this actually helps you put it in your ear and adjust it. And okay, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to put it the mask, okay, like this to my ear. and adjust your glasses, okay, without touching your body if you're wearing glasses. This is only for people who wear glasses. And now what you gotta do, step 2, adjust the mask. You gotta pinch the mask and put it from the chin till the nose. Okay, you gotta adjust it up and down. So tutorial of how to wear a mask and gloves are done. So now we'll go to step 3. So step 3 is removing the gloves and masks. So I'm going to be showing a demonstration of removing it as well, because you have to be really careful while removing it. All the germs and bacteria will go inside your body. So the steps to remove a mask. So first, what you're going to do is you got to actually pinch the white strap over your ear without touching any of your body. Okay, so I'm going to slowly pinch the white without touching any of my body and pull it out my ear and immediately put it in the waste bin, because see, a mask's living time is actually 6 to 8 hours, and you don't want it to be lying in your bed or anywhere in your house, because the germs will spread through and you don't want that. So immediately dispose it in a bin or in the dustbin. And now I'll tell you how to remove the gloves. So removing the gloves is actually you have to concentrate a little bit to do this task. So to do the first hand, so let's start from the left hand first. Okay, so I'm going to actually pinch the middle, okay, and I'm going to pull out the latex out of my hand. You can even pinch the side, okay, you're comfortable. So you haven't touched your hand at all. So you gotta take this and immediately dispose it in the bin. That should also go in the bin, because these are all germ containers. They protected you, and after their validity, they have to go in the bin. So now, how to remove the second gloves? So if you're starting from your left hand, the next will be the right hand. Now if you're starting from your right hand, the next will be left hand. So I started from my left hand. So I'm going to remove this one. So actually how to remove it, take your pinky finger, okay, and what you're going to do, without touching your body, slowly and carefully remove the white strap, white latex from your body, from your hands, and dispose it in the bin. And step 4, the most important part, how to apply soap or hand sanitizer. So guys, I will mostly recommend soap, because soap, if you're at home, I recommend soap, because soap actually helps you kill all the bacteria, and hand sanitizers actually contains chemical, which is, I'm not telling it's bad for you, but I recommend soap the most. If you're at home, you can take soap, rub it all over. I will show it in the hand sanitizer tutorial. You can do the same with soap and lukewarm water. So now I will tell you how to apply hand sanitizer. So I have 2 types of hand sanitizers. One is the Jennifer's hand sanitizer herbal with an IPA of 70% alcohol. IPA means alcohol rate in the sanitizer. So if you're using any sanitizer, you want to kill the germs, make sure it actually has an IPA of 70% or above. So right now I have an Cosmo hand sanitizer spray, okay, germ protector, and it kills 99.9% of germs with 70% of IPA. And what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to spray the this Cosmo hand sanitizer on my hands. Okay, so you're gonna spray it all on the top and on the bottom. Make sure it's all on the hands. So I'm going to spray it on my left hand first and then on my right hand. Okay, so yep, make sure it's all on your hands. And what you gotta do now is you gotta rub it properly in your hand. So first step, you can do this with soap and lukewarm water. First step, rub it in your palms. Second step, on your just make sure it's completely there in your hands. Third step, behind the palms, behind the nails. Fourth step, net the nails, okay, and make sure it's everywhere in your hand. And now you have to rub it until the hand sanitizer is dry. You can also use soap. I recommend soap during home, and you actually have to use hand sanitizer if you are at home. Okay guys, so now the video has ended, and I hope you guys concentrate the demonstration of the video, and I hope you guys please follow it so that for your safety, and please stay safe and stay healthy. Bye.